So this is my review of the Marvel Legends Spider-Man House of M. Freaking good. We got AJ Age 4 Plus E133355 A6655 assist E.A Build a figure Spider Marvel Legends series. M logo right there, red color with the wings, and we got Spider-Man House of M Marvel. Looks like a freaking cartoon show or something. We got the black Hasbro logo on the side. We got Spider-Man with his freaking webs on the back. Nice red colored artwork. On the back other side we got the same. So that's what you get. Closing down this box. And then at the back we got some nice red flames freaking there, and some nice red and pink and whitish flames all going on, and then purple, and then pink and red and pinkish on the background. Freaking good. I love those flames. We got black color, quick on his feet, Peter Parker, agile as they come. Peter Parker becomes the wrestling sensation known as Spider-Man. House of M Spider-Man. Poses required additional support. And then in different languages. 81221. Build a figure Spider. Then Spider, Doc Ock, Scarlet Spider, Elektra, Marvel's Cloak, Marvel's Dagger, Daredevil. Each sold separately in different languages. Includes figure accessory and a build-a-figure part. And then some poses may require additional support. And then we got small part warning, choking hazards. Small parts may be not generated enough for children under 3 years. www.marvel.com, hasbro.com, Marvel, Ask a Parent, websites not all in languages. Hasbro Canada, Longhill, QC Canada, G4G, 1G2, US Canada, till 18002555, 16 made in China, fabricated in China. Downside, we got distributed in Australia by Hasbro Australia Limited, level 4, 6771 Epping Road, Macquarie Park, NSW 2113, Australia till 1300138296. Distributed New Zealand, Hasbro New Zealand branch of Hasbro Australia, Fanny Highway, Auckland, New Zealand 508282200. Without Hasbro.com, and then in different languages, and then PWA, CPNG, IEN languages made in China, and then Midtown Comics, $22.99, and we got some bunch of codes. I bought it from Midtown Comics. Yeah, this figure, when it was first newly released, it was pretty rare. I think you will get it much cheaper right now. See that? That's the packaging. So we got this packaging, freaking good. Nice webbing at the back. We got Spider-Man, freaking good. We got the spider. We got the packet. And then, so let's go for articulation. So for details, first off, I'm gonna give for Spider-Man. So he's got very nice basketball like webbing. So he's got red color with all black color webbings on his entire face. So that's freaking good. And he's got a nice nose. Now I gotta say, there was I had the Andrew Garfield one, which his skull was a bit longer. Yeah, because Andrew Garfield has a longer head because he's freaking tall. And in the comic books, Peter Parker was not, Andrew Garfield. So, his head wasn't tall. So he has a shorter, smaller skull, as you can see. He's got a smaller head. He's got a nice nose detail. It's freaking good. And he's got very flat nose. And then he's got some he's got some lens. Now the lens are pretty similar to the Amazing Spider-Man figure which I had a long time ago until I broke his butterfly joints. And then he got some black color on his lens. And the curve and black color, freaking good. Now the Andrew Garfield one, I guess probably was obviously bigger or smaller or the same, I guess so, but yeah, it was a kind of bit different, I think so. And obviously you got the body. I had the Andrew Garfield version, as I already said. That's the only Marvel Legends Spider-Man I had. This one is muscular body type, and Andrew Garfield one wasn't muscular. He was really skinny one. So we got some bunch of muscles, even though in the movie Andrew Garfield was muscular though, but the action figure wise he wasn't. So he's got nice muscles, he's got big chest, not big like those bodybuilders, right? But his chest is pretty big. I mean, it's not really bad. And then there's some kind of creases. Sorry to say, yeah, this is not the Spider-Man with a freaking spider. And I freaking love this design, man. This is so cool. This is way better than the, gradual, the 6, that 601 or whatever that universe he is. That Spider-Man, the normal Spider-Man. This version of Spider-Man is way cooler design. So I love multiverse Spider-Man way better than any other Spider-Man, than the normal Spider-Man. He's got some nice webbings on him. He's got nice ribs. He's got rib muscles. Man, that's so freaking cool. And then he's got some veins on his neck. He's got some holes on his vein. Freaking good. And he's some bunch of muscles on his back. Man, his muscular, body is, it's like this guy is failing Tom Holland, This guy isn't even muscular than Tom Holland. Tom Holland was muscular, but he's not muscular like Tobey Maguire or Andrew Garfield was. But I say this guy topples over, Tom Holland. That's for sure. Anyways, he's got muscular arms. That's so freaking good. And he's got some nice muscles. Nice muscles